What's up, MG gang gang gang? Welcome back to another vlog. As promised, as y'all can see, I'm on my phone because last vlog I did not charge my camera battery, and so we here bumping on. I'm about to go to the thrift store to get a bigger shirt, by the way, because I don't really like stuff looking too little on me. Like, I don't like that. But yes, few things. Your girl got a stimmy. Your girl got a stimmy. So we are about to go to Target. Like I told y'all, I'm gonna go to Target, get some stuff for baby boy. Ooh. So yeah, we finna go to Target, and I'm also finna go get my feet done, because with your feet done comes a massage. And baby, ever since I've been waking up, my feet has been trying me. So they're not like swollen or anything, which is good, because it means something. Like, swollen feet is something, because you've been eating something. But anyway, so yeah, I'm going to get my feet done. I'm not gonna get my nails done. Not too big on get my nails done really like that right now, because there are other priorities that I need to work out besides spending money on nails. So yeah, I'm finna get my feet done because I need a massage, and I need to sit in that chair too to get a massage on my booty and all the other stuff. And we're gonna go to Target, and y'all might see me with another shirt on if I find one in the thrift store. Might not show y'all all of that because I gotta preserve my storage in my phone. So after I'm done with all of that, then we will get to the haul, because I said it's gonna be a Target haul on the stuff that I get from Target. So boom, if you're new to this channel, what's poppin'? What's up? Well, I ain't forget to say hey. I ain't forget. How you doing? Subscribe to my channel. Yeah, you know I'm glad you're here. Glad you're here. Okay, so 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Okay, we gotta go. Peace. Okay, so boom, y'all, I guess this is what I get for not having a salon out here. Because, like, y'all, I don't get my feet done. Like, I don't get my nails done. I do all that myself. Like, I do my nails myself. I do my feet myself. But I was wanting a massage. But y'all had to wait 45 minutes. 45 minutes. And I started to get hungry. But I waited it out, and I'm finally done. Oh my gosh, and I'm so hungry. I was telling Twitter that I should have went to Target first, but so that I could just Target and then go home. Cause now I don't feel like going to Target no more, and I'm like, I low key want to take a nap. So right now I'm in a drive-thru getting food. I wish I could put this up like right here. But yeah, we getting food, and then I'm gonna go to Target. Then I'm gonna go to Target, and then I'm gonna take my butt home, and then I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Target when I get home. Well, I might do that in a separate video. I don't know. I'm thinking about it. But yeah, so that's where we at. So I'm gonna catch y'all when I get home after Target. Bet. What's up, MG gang? It's another day. I told y'all. Well, no, I ain't know. Can't do. Okay, let me just piggyback. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So, well, let me just go here. don't know. It might be blurry. So, I decided not to do the haul for Target because I want to get some more stuff. I didn't get as much as I thought I was gonna get, so we're gonna do that another day. But as you can see, I have on makeup and I got my belly out because I decided to do my own maternity shoot. So this is what we finna do today. I'm gonna show y'all how I did my setup, and yeah, so just gonna be like a little behind the scenes of me doing my own maternity shoot. With, I think I'm doing like 2 or 3 different outfits. This is one of them that I have on. It's like a Calvin Klein just lounging set or whatever. So yeah, let me show y'all. Okay, so this is the setup. Sorry if I'm smacking. I use this little area in my living room, and I decided to go with this little concept here. And yeah, one thing I did forget is a basket. I forgot a basket. I went in Dollar Tree to get these strings and clips, and I forgot to get a basket out of there. They had a basket in there, but the basket was like $3, and they want the tall one, so I think that's probably why I didn't get one. But yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna stand up or sit down, but we're gonna see. This is the frame I'm gonna have to use too as well. So yeah, let me hurry up and get set up, and y'all just enjoy the behind the scenes. I'm gonna start with doing something. I have skin on my lip, but anyway, I'm gonna start by taking some on my phone too, and yeah, just enjoy behind the scenes.